Night terrors. Introduction. Some people experience sleep disorders, such as night terrors during deep sleep. Select true or false. Correct. Night terrors usually happen about 2 to 3 hours after a person falls asleep. This is usually when deep sleep is ending and REM sleep starts. Lucy has night terrors regularly and they are disrupting her sleep. She feels tired during the day and has problems concentrating. Should Lucy contact her healthcare provider for help? Select yes or no. Correct. Lucy's night terrors are causing problems that her healthcare provider may be able to help her control. She should contact her healthcare provider. Do night terrors only happen to children? Select yes or no. Correct. Night terrors can happen to anyone, but they most often affect children between the ages of 4 and 12. Is treatment for night terrors always needed? Select yes or no. Correct. Children usually grow out of night terrors. Thank you for using Explain.